In this video, I'll show you how to edit sent messages on WhatsApp. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Let's get started. Open the WhatsApp chat and type what you want to send. Now tap and hold the message you need to edit. Tap the three-dot icon. From the menu, select Edit. Make the changes you need. Tap the check mark to save the changes. And remember, you can edit the message as many times as you want within the 15-minute window. That's it. You've successfully edited a sent message on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.